Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of the Twitch app not sending a verification code. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes an unstable connection can prevent the app from sending the verification code properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue gets resolved. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to check whether you're using the latest version of the Twitch app. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store. Search for Twitch and see if there's an update available. If you see an update button, tap it and install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, open the Twitch app and try again. If you're still facing the issue, the final thing you can try is clearing the app's cache and data. To do that, locate the Twitch app on your device. Press and hold on it and select App Info. Then tap Force Stop and confirm it. After that, go to Storage and clear both the cache and data. Now open the Twitch app again and check if the verification code is being sent. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.